I bought way too many mushrooms this week, so I'm gonna make my famous meatball stuffed mushrooms, topped with marinara sauce and mozzarella cheese to make the perfect appetizer. I'm gonna start by preheating my oven to 350 Fahrenheit and lining a baking tray with parchment paper before preparing our mushrooms. And to do so, all we're gonna have to do is take the stem and just jiggle it until it lets go, and then you can remove it from the mushroom top. And for this recipe, we're going to need between 20 and 24 mushrooms, so we're going to start by placing 24 of them on the tray. Our mushrooms are ready, so we can start with the meatball filling. In a large bowl with our lean ground beef, I'm going to add some panko crumbs, some salt and some oregano, and an egg. I'm also going to add some marinara sauce, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, and finally, all of the mushroom stems that I've very finely chopped. Now I'm going to mix the meatball mixture until very smooth. Now you're going to want to make meatballs that resemble the size of the cavity of the mushroom. So it's going to be between 3/4 to 1 inch in diameter. So gently bring the meatball together with your fingers and then place it on top of the mushroom and gently press down just so that it stays in there. You want to make sure that the meatballs resemble in size, that way they'll cook more evenly. And once all my mushroom caps are stuffed with meatballs, we're going to cover them with marinara sauce. So just take a teaspoon and then gently place some on top of the meatball. And once all the meatballs are covered in sauce, I'm going to sprinkle them with some grated mozzarella. And then into my preheated oven they go for 16 to 18 minutes, or until the internal temperature is a minimum of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Chop up some fresh basil leaves and sprinkle on top of the meatball stuffed mushrooms, and you're ready to enjoy. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to my channel and on the video for more recipes.